dear viewers, welcome to another mathematics presentation. So in this presentation, I want us to answer a question that came in mathematics paper 1. So this is a question coming from the topic coordinate geometry. So the question reads, find the equation of a straight line that passes through the points 2, 3 and 4, 4. So we need to find the equation of the straight line that is passing through these 2 points that were given. So in order for you to find the equation of the straight line, you need the formula, okay? So there are 2 formulas that you can use. You can either use this first formula, which is y minus y1 equal to m in brackets, we have x minus x1. This is the first formula that you can use. Or you can use the other formula, which is y is equal to mx plus c. So whether you use this formula or this one, you get the same answer. So let's see how we can answer them, okay? So in order for you first to find the equation of the straight line, you need the value of the gradient. So if you have observed in this formula, this m is the gradient. Even here, this m is the gradient. So first thing, you need to find the gradient using these 2 points that you are given. So your point is 2, 3 and 4, 4. So to find the gradient of these 2 points, you can use the formula m. So m, representing gradient, is equal to y2 minus y1 over x2 minus x1. So we can rename our points. This is x1, y1, x2, y2. So from here, we can just substitute. Where there is y2, we are going to put a 4 minus a 3, which is y1, over x2, it's a 4, minus our x1, it's a 2, like this. So from here, 4 minus 3, it's a 1, over 4 minus 2, it's a 2. So the value of the gradient is a 1 over 2. Okay, so after finding the gradient now, you can use either this one or this one to find the equation of the straight line. Now, if you use this one, the first one, you just go direct. So you're just going to substitute on gradient and on y1 and x1, picking either this coordinate or this coordinate. If you use the second one, first you need to find the value of c. Okay, then you work it out. So I'll start with the first formula, where we have y minus y1 equal to m in brackets, we have x minus x1. So from these 2 points, you can either take this one or this one. It's up to you which one you are comfortable with. So if you choose to pick 2, 3, for example, this one becomes your x1, this is your y1. So you can just substitute. So you write y minus, where there is y1, we're going to put a 3, equal to m is the gradient. In this case, it's 1 over 2. Open bracket, x minus our x1, it's a 2, like this. Okay, then from here, we can open the brackets by multiplying with 1 over 2. So we are going to have y minus 3 equal to 1 over 2 times x. This will be 1 over 2 x. 1 over 2 times minus 2, this will be minus 1. So 2 here, 1, 2 here, 1. So 1 over 1 times 1 is this 1. Then from this stage, we can try to get this negative 3 to the other side. We are going to have y is equal to 1 over 2x minus 1 plus 3. This is what you have. So from here, we can write y equal to 1 over 2x, the negative 1 plus 3, this will be a positive 2. So you can either leave your answer on this stage, you can be marked, okay? Or what you can do is, since here it's 1 over 2, it's a fraction, you can multiply everything, okay, with the common denominator, which is a 2 right here. So 2 times y, you are going to have 2y equal to, then 1 over 2x times this 2. This 2 and this 2 cancel, remain with x, plus 2 times 2, it's a 4. So you can either leave it at this stage, or you can leave your answer on this stage. You are still going to be marked. So this is our equation of the straight line, this one or this one. Okay, now let's see the second formula. So if you use the second formula, which is y is equal to mx plus c. Remember what I said, for this second formula, you need first to find the value of c. So how do you find the value of c? Remember, we have 2 points. We have 2, 3. we also have 4, 4. Again, here you can either pick this one or this one. So let's pick 4, 4. So this is x, this is y. Okay, now remember the gradient is 1/2, so you can substitute on y, put a 4 equal to, where there is gradient you put 1/2. Okay, then x you are going to put a 4 like this, then plus a c. So if you want, you can pick this one. If you pick 2, 3, your x will be a 2, your y will be a 3. But if you pick this one, your x is a 4, the y is a 4. Okay, so here we are going to have 4 equal to half times 4, it's a 2. Meaning that 2 here, 1, 2 into 4, it's a 2. 1 times 2 is a 2. Then plus c. Then from here we can have 4 minus 2. This 2 has gone this side, equal to c. So we can have c is equal to what? 2. So the value of c is equal to 2. Now we come back to our formula, which is y is equal to mx plus c. So we have found the value of c. So c equal to 2, then m equal to half. So these are the only variables that you should do at substitute. So we are going to write y equal to, so where there is m, which is the gradient, you put half, then x, plus where there is c, you put a 2. So you can see you have gotten this answer right here. So you can leave your answer at this stage, which is the same with this one that we found. Or you can still do the same, okay, where you multiply throughout with a 2, because the common denominator here is a 2. And you are going to have 2y is equal to x plus 4, which is this one. Okay, so this one and this one, they are the same. So we've come to the end of our presentation. Thank you so much, everybody, for having time to view this content. This has been your presenter, Mr. Mulenga. Bye-bye.